Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS padding. And right now, we'll be discussing about CSS padding bottom property. The CSS padding bottom property for individual size. So I'm going to be specifying CSS padding bottom for some of our elements so you can be able to see how it works. Back to our document. In our previous tutorial, we are having this where we discussed about the padding top, padding right. And right now we are going to be specifying the padding bottom so you can see how this our border is going to extend and how this our elements fit set element is going to shift. So they are both going to create something nice now. So back to our document. We are seeing on our CSS padding playlist. You can check our CSS padding to be able to follow along. Back to this place. Right now we are selecting our body element. If you are following me along, you will know how I got here. So right now when we select our body element, let's specify padding. Now we want to specify padding bottom. So padding bottom, we want to give it, let's just give it 1200 pixels and save our document. Let's reload. Can you see when I reload? When I reload, this red extends. Can you see? It extends. I hope you didn't forget this our sticky image. It is right there inside our document. So I'm just doing this so you guys can see how it reacts to different elements. So let's say for instance, comment out this image. I'm going to see the image will not be there again. Can you see when I reload? You don't see the image again, and our document is still working nicely. Our padding top, padding right is there, and here is our padding bottom. It's working nicely. Let's bring back the image. If you don't know how we got the padding top and the padding bottom, in our previous tutorial I've discussed about it. Can you see when I bring back the image? Now it's there. Our background image is there right now. Let's just say for instance now I want to do something nice again with this. In our previous tutorial, if you remember very well, when I created this multiple fit set element, I purposely did it just because I need this ruler by the right side just to be able to scroll through our document because I wanted to test this our sticky image in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the background image, where we discussed about the CSS background. You can check the CSS background playlist to be able to know more things about this background image specifically. So I'm going to rearrange my document now because I've already have something else to work with. So benefit of using the padding bottom, now you are going to see it. You will be able to get this ruler again, but I'm going to reduce all these elements I created here because I don't need some of them. Let me go back to my document. Do like this. All these field sets I created earlier, I'm going to delete some of them. Let me delete this, I'll delete up to this level just to make our document look nice. Always remember, I'll always tell you that because I want my document to look neat, that's why I'm doing some of this. Let's save my document and see what we got. But before I go, yes, let me save it first. Reload your document. When I reload, as you can see, now we are having two fit set elements, right? And also I will do another thing again. I'll come here, I'll remove the padding top, I'll remove the padding bottom. When I remove all this, let's reload our document. Now as you can see, now we are having this sticky image, but we can't know if the sticky image is working perfectly now because we don't have any ruler. The other previous tutorial where I discussed about the CSS background, I did my browser like this. I did it like this so that I will be able to scroll this, so that I will be able to know if this image is really sticky or is not. Okay, you see. But right now there is another option for me now If I don't want to minimize my browser, if I don't want to minimize or maximize my browser, there's another thing I can do. I can just come here, increase my padding button. When I increase my padding button, this is going to extend the the border the border inside our red border right here. It's going to extend the space inside our document. Let me reload. Can you see? Now I'm having this ruler now. Can you see? I'm able to scroll all around just to see if my image is sticky or not. Can you see? This is working nicely. Just imagine, this is very nice, and I'm able to see the ruler just to be able to have something to work with. And now I can rearrange my picture if I want. I can bring this back to 12 pixels, and everything should be nice now. Can you see? This is working nicely now. I don't have any problem with my document again. I hope you guys are following me along. Now we are using our padding button, and our padding button is working nicely. If we want, we can specify another padding, but I like the padding button for now. As you can see, it did what I want for me. It extends the space, the space at the bottom of my element. So you can now create multiple elements if we want. Even just imagine we are doing some animations and we want some element to be doing anyhow. We have already created a space for it, then everything is going to work fine. So that's some of the benefit again when using the padding button. I have to stop here for now. Anwar Akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye. Peace.